Hey guys, we are on our way out to the meet. It is Wednesday, so enjoy the next clips. Slow.
So when you hear me talking about the gateway things to rice, this is what it leads to.
Hey Andrew, your car's pretty friggin' ass loud.
We're in the EcoBoost. This is Scott. You can't see him.
Nope, can't see me.
But we're about to hit a groundbreaking moment.
That's at 35,000 miles. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh my god, it sounds beautiful.
that's my car.
Okay, here, take this for a second. I might not.
I swear, if we hit it,
I don't
in
think
this
I'm
turn.
not gonna. I still have 4/10 of a mile to go.
fuck.
So is this where all the cool people come?
This.
So happen to place on a Friday night?
This is to land, everybody. This is where we are. This is the river.
All right, let's hit your car.
There's my car that I'm not driving again.
Oh my god, I'm at 0.9.
You're at. Shut up.
I just hit 34.
Wait, just drive around the parking lot.
Okay.
Just keep going.
We gotta get something on film really
We'll
quick.
be right back.
I'm hitting 35,000 miles.
This guy is currently driving around a parking lot to hit 35,000 miles.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Turn! Woohoo!
35K. How do you feel?
35K. Ah. I officially have 1,000 miles until my warranty's gone.
Time for turbo.
Time for the turbo.
3 days later.
Fuck that turbo kid, I'm getting the cheese.
So we're at this restaurant, and I'm so scared right now.
We're getting gator and frog legs.
Everything on the menu has gator in it or frog legs.
How do I get there?
So we're here with these guys who think it's totally normal to eat things like gator and frog legs.
Yeah, for sure. Apparently that's really funny.
I was like, oh god.
I'm gonna steal some of the salad.
No, this is my salad.
She's hogging the salad.
This is my salad.
Gator.
Okay, so
Tastes like chicken.
they just got this gator thing.
Go Knowles, by the way.
Go Knowles.
The Scott.
I'm with him.
Andrew,
Yeah,
Brian.
it just tastes like chicken.
They're on a date together. They're really cute. I'm about to try gator for the first time ever.
What?
That's when I can watch games with.
Dude, I'll do more than just watch games.
Want to go? I'm just going.
I'm going to the Ole Miss game here.
That's pretty good. It's kind of salty. Scott. You just hit 35,000 miles in your car.
What about it?
How do you feel right now?
It's a year old.
That's how you feel?
It's like a stripper. Got a lot of mileage on it. But it goes hard every day. Cheers to that one.
This is our waitress at the place with the gator macaroni and cheese.
Hi.
She's really awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Are you single?
I am not single. I could be though.
Oh, then never mind.
11,000 followers, I could be.
All 11,000 subscribers are going to be disappointed now.
Never mind, I guess.
You ready for some pops?
I think it's pop time.
Vlog, what the hell? Okay, so
We're on our way out to Mexico.
we're driving to Mexico. Scott's behind us. We're going to do donuts
In Mexico.
in Mexico.
Out of Mexico.
That was a lot of smoke.
That was a lot of smoke.
I grabbed second and just ripped it.
Dude, that was awesome.
It took us like 2 minutes to get to Mexico. That's amazing.
Yeah, Mexico's only a short drive
2
away.
seconds.
No. Actually, no. No, don't do it. Don't do it. No. Don't do it. Stop it. You stalled it. She stalled it because look what I got.
Oh my god!
Nice try stealing. Oh, this is perfect. I was wondering why she stalled.
You don't have that remote start?
No.
That was like the most fun I've ever had in my car. Please.
It was, I already turned it off.
Please.
Hey guys, we are on our way to my friend Sebastian's house. We're gonna go pick up his car. It's ready from paint. It is a basically Cobra clone, I guess you could say. Clone kind of has a bad name, but it has all 0304 body parts, seats, T56 trans, 0304 long block, VMP, DBS. So no, it's not a real Cobra, but it has every Cobra part on it. So we're going to pick that up and then throw the bumpers on, and I'll shoot some clips of that. They make this look like a car again. Is hot. Back to black. Better. So we just left. This is Seabass's car. It is extremely loud. So you're telling me you don't want to drive the EcoBoost? Steal the keys.
Well, I don't have any keys right now.
We're doing it. We're doing it. Just remember.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Oh boy.
We're not going very far.
Fuck that turbo kit. I'm getting the cheese.
Driving this is like driving a WRX.
Got them Recaro seats.
I personally prefer my cloth seats.
It sneezes.
I can hear my car. Wow, so still not driving my car. Driving someone else's. Right now, I'm driving Scott's car, and if you notice, his directional is on. I don't think it's ever been turned on before.
Not today.
Scott, be quiet in my car. Oh my god, I love it. What is he doing?
So loud. Didn't make it. There he is.
Wrong car.
I'm recording this.
The polka dotted car.
I think it went off-roading.
Oh my god. What the fuck did you do?
Okay,
What happened?
not clean.
You know that
Clean.
Friday night?
This is what is wrong with the world.
Scott,
What is a directional?
a directional, the thing that you
A directional
push,
blinker. How the lights are
so
sequenced?
that if you're going to turn,
Yeah.
other people know that you're turning.
Oh wait, you said I never use my turn signals. I use them all the time.
Is that your color?
Before the police come, I got this knockoff Hearst Michael Kors, all the rage. Everyone wants it. I'll sell it to you, $25.99. You want it? There's no police, dude. Take it.
Give me that.
Take your purse.
Skydrive is a 4-cylinder Mustang?
Yeah, dude, she blows
You are
off
not
the
allowed to get
air.
an Oxford White.
He's definitely.
Why can't I get an Oxford White?
Blue.
I can finance it the exact same way.
No. You need deep impact.
Deep
So then
impact blue.
we can be red, white, and blue.
I know, but this Oxford White is red.
Oxford White, Deep Impact
no,
Blue,
or Deep
or
Impact.
Ruby Red?
America.
America!
America.
America!
Winning.
If you look at Scott and you just have a regular conversation with him, he'll actually wink at you sometimes. And I don't know if he knows that he does it, but he just, it's in his videos too. He'll just, you know, you be talking to him and he'll say something and he'll just wink and then he'll...
You ever talk to a dog and it's just looking at you and the dog like kind of just winks and it doesn't really know it does it?
Are you comparing yourself to a dog?
Yes,
Man's
he
best
is.
friend.
Oh my god, we just found this secret compartment in here. I am so excited right now. Like the possibilities of things that I can put in there are endless.
Hey.
When you come home and the dog is not in the crate.
So we got Andrew's car back together, and we realized after the fact that we can't get the jack.
The jack fucked us.
The jack totally fucked us, dude. We can't get that thing out. So I have my jack here, and we're gonna get the front end of the car up.
Go from the K member.
But in order to get it up, we need a piece of wood that we don't have, or we're gonna bend the subframe. So,
I like to not bend the subframe.
dude, we're so fucked. And this red piece looks like it's just waiting to fuck its day up. Just for the record, we had to leave the car like this on a trip to Lowe's. So we didn't want anybody to jack the car down and take anything. But we didn't think of this. So we found the solution, and it came from my jack. Oh, Andrew, you're so strong. Give me your flex. Which way is the beach? There you go.
Hey guys, we have so much fun filming these videos for you. We really hope that you enjoy watching them just as much as we enjoy making them. As you've noticed probably by now, we post a new video every Mustang Monday, and our hope is just that every time we post something, it's more exciting and more enjoyable. And of course, if you have any recommendations or things that we should do or things that we should stop doing or anything, we're here to learn because we are new to this. We're really just trying to have fun though and post all of our excitement and share it with everybody else. Coming up, this next episode, we will be featuring N-Gauge and a dyno tune on my car, which is really exciting. We'll be posting some how-to videos on how to install the N-Gauge, how to upload your tunes, where you should put it, how to use it, all that really great stuff. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this forever. Definitely a great before and after video of the things that change. Really looking forward to the throttle response because these stock Coyotes have awful throttle response. It's terrible. So we're just really excited, and of course, like we said, if there's anything that that you think we should do differently or we should change, let us know in the comments. Like it if you like it, which we hope that you do, and definitely subscribe because we'll be posting these every week with, like we said, more and more exciting things every single time. So looking forward to seeing you next week, guys. Have a good one.